Are you tired of having Venetian blinds or curtains attached to your windows?
Are you looking to transform your home to give a much more modern feel?
Doors Plus Plantation Shutters are fast becoming the most modern and popular window furnishings out there today.
Plantation Shutters, both beautiful and practical, this window covering will sit comfortably in just about any interior decor scheme, adding a stunning design touch to both the interior and exterior of your home. The louvered design allows you to readjust the light flow into your home and to maintain privacy when it suits you. Depending on your space, you can choose single or double hinged shutters that fold away to one side when you want to fully open your shutters. We have a range of material and finish options to choose from, so you can find a look that complements your decor and brings a fresh sense of style to your home. Our shutters are made to measure and professionally installed by our team of experienced installers. Yes, we measure and install. It's all part of the no fuss, saving you the hassle of DIY.
Visit a Doors Plus showroom today for a free one-on-one consultation, and our qualified staff will help you find the right shutters for your home and lifestyle.